got in a brand new Model Y. So first off, we're going to be tinting the car sides and back in Cellulix 33. Because it does get pretty hot in this Y, especially with this roof. But we're not just stopping there. We're also going to be installing some Vossen HF4Ts on this one. This is called a tinted gloss black, so it's a really nice finish. It's like surgery, guys. All these arms coming in, cutting you open. Precision work. Being the fact that the Model Y has a very similar body style compared to the Model 3, you can pretty much bet that any spoke design that looks good on the Model 3 is going to look really good also on the Model Y. Vossen HF4T's tinted gloss black, 20 inches. Fun little fact, the Model 3 and the Model Y share similar wheel fitments, so if you have a Model 3 and you're trying to transfer wheels over to a Model Y, it should fit flush fitment front and rear. Can't wait for us to do a set of 21s on a Model Y and see how those look.